Hi, my name is John Starrick. I'm with Batching Systems. Today we're going to walk you through our new packaging system, including bag and box line. The system includes a parts loading hopper elevator. It brings components up to a bidirectional conveyor which feeds a dual counter. That dual counter has two hoppers, and the bidirectional conveyor will move product from one hopper to another based on demand. The hoppers feed our counters. Our dual counters will dispense batch count and dispense product into a gating mechanism which sits directly above the bag on a sprint bagger. The gating mechanism is there so that the product drop height is minimized going into the bag. That accelerates the throughput on the line. Once the bags are filled, they're sealed and moved onto a takeaway conveyor feeding our bag and box system. The bagged product is dropped through a counting head which counts the number of bags the customer wants to dispense into a carton. Once the carton is filled, it moves out of place and a new one is automatically filled under the dispense point of the bag and box counter to fully automate the system. If you want any more information from Batching Systems, please look us up on our website. It's batchingsystems.com or call our direct number at 410-414-8111. Thank you.